Alright guys, we're back in Suite 250 here. We did that drain line repair over there last week. And today we're changing out a water heater. The old one's out already, as you can see. This is an old 3-phase water heater. You can see it's kind of strange. Way oversized. It's a 40-gallon. It's like maybe this suite had a shower originally or something, but we just have like 4 sinks now. So we're going with like a 30-gallon. And cut these back, put male adapters on them, and flex. You know, it was hard piped in before, I don't know why. But then also, the new one is just going to be single phase because there's no reason to have a 3-phase water heater. I mean, it's just wasteful. So, I'll gotta rewire that. Have myself some scrap copper here. I'll put it, and the pan was completely rotted away too, so we're going to put in a new pan. So new pan, new water heater, and it'll be a done deal. See you in a minute. Okay guys, there's our new water heater. Got everything hooked up and insulated, and we actually got our overflow tied into the pan now, this time. Before it was just like kind of over the side, just kind of a joke. So that's done, and now we got to deal with this little electrical situation here. The original pigtail's not quite long enough. Alright, so shut our disconnect off, and I'm going to go ahead and take those out of there, and going to turn one of these into a ground. I think this is to tie the neutrals together if there was any, but there isn't. So we're going to go anyways, we're going to establish a ground with one of these wires because we only need two wires, obviously, because it's single phase now. So I went to Home Depot, got myself some flex tubing. I'm sure I'll be able to use that for something else in the future too. Good old DAP caulking, I love that, of course. Couplers, I used up those today. No stop couplers. Sometimes I use those. And a bunch of good little flex connectors. As long as it's open already, we'll use it first. Alright, so that's the first step. It's going to be, now that the switch is off, the first step is going to be disconnecting these two. I like them old school wire nuts, huh? I hate them, if you're asking me. They're a pain in the ass in general, that's what I'm gonna say. A minute ago, how did I do that? Isn't that interesting? Wow, you know, folks, I had that off of there a minute ago just almost by my hand. I don't know what happened. I don't know what happened. Well, anyways, I think you guys get the idea. Once again, it's going to become clear that I need both my hands to do this, so I'll show you what it's doing. Alright guys, there she is, all wired back up and working. So as you can see, I got my new pigtail here. I went ahead and swapped out the wires because those big old I think it was 8 gauge stranded. It was just too difficult to work with. Totally not necessary. So just switched to some 10 stranded. And it works easier. Got myself a little ground here. Everything's grounded. Looking good. And now they got hot water. Got a shiny new pan in there. One thing I wish we could get a 90 on there, but I really don't think that's happened. If that thing overflows, it's going in the drain anyhow, so I'm cool with it. We'll wire nut. See you later. Alright, well, we're going to call that. I'm going to close the door. And it's good. Alright, I'm going to clean up my mess in here and we're going to call it a day. Thanks for watching.